So Threads is a very interesting application that has taken the world by storm. Lots and lots of people have downloaded it. It already has 11,000 ratings. It has probably millions and millions of downloads. And also it's the number one social network right now in terms of views. So in terms of just the, being on Apple Store or whatever. But the crazy thing is that's going on right now is that this application I think had a faulty start. It's a beta, basically it's like a 1.0 version. It's going to get better throughout time. But one of the weirdest things I've ever seen a social network do is to not allow you to delete your profile without deleting another profile on a completely separate application. So apparently, your Threads profile can only be deleted by actually deleting your Instagram account. Meta says. So Meta is the main company that owns basically Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and now Threads. Probably some other stuff too, including the MetaQuest. So now we have this specific thing where if you downloaded your Threads profile, if you are using Threads, let's say you don't like Threads anymore, or let's say whatever happens in the future, you will not be able to delete your Threads profile without also deleting your Instagram account. So this article basically says the same exact thing that I just kind of said right there. If we make our way over to our Threads profile though, the weird thing is again, you can click on your Threads profile by coming into your main panel right here. So you'll see your profile at the bottom, you'll see all your threads and everything up here. But if you go ahead and click on the top right and you go ahead and click on something like account, so if you click on account, you do have the option of basically deactivating your profile. So there is that deactivate profile option right here. If I click on it, watch what happens. It says, are you sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile? Deactivating your profile is temporary, your profile, friends, and all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. Now, you do have the ability of actually deactivating your Threads profile without actually going through and affecting your Instagram account. So it says this will not affect your Instagram account. So that's a really good thing we have now, as of this point. But in order for us to delete our Threads account, we can't actually do that without deleting our Instagram account, which can be a big turnoff for some people. If you actually want to go ahead and delete your Threads account, you can't actually do that as of this point without actually deleting your Instagram account. So this is going to change in the future. I think the Instagram CEO already said that this is a work in progress. They're going to go ahead and pretty much fix this. So that's a really, really interesting thing that they kind of did. I don't even know why they'd make a big difference between deactivating, which is temporary, and deleting, which is permanent. If you have the ability of deactivating and it's, not affecting your Instagram account, why is it that when you delete it, it also deletes your Instagram account? So that's a really big thing. Just a little public service announcement. If you're planning on deleting your Threads profile, just keep in mind that this might, in fact, it will affect your Instagram account when it comes down to it. So that kind of covers it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.